Happy Friday, everyone. I'm back in Panama after being in the US for 7 months. There's a lot to do at my house, grocery shopping, getting organized. I know we all need this much needed break. Today is the day before Halloween, so feel free to wear a costume. And if you do not celebrate Halloween like me, you can wear any costume or dress up as anything you want. It is Fun Friday, so please have your writing prompt ready to share at 8:30. We have Spanish at 9, and at 9:45 we will meet for our Savas Realize test. After you take this test, you will log into Seesaw and take your spelling. At 9:45 we will meet for math review and play some Kahoot. And let's make it a great Friday, the day before our long break. And I will see you shortly at 8:30.